know, they said that I won't succeed as a film director without a film school, and I almost believed them. These were my thoughts a few years ago, until I actually realized that not attending film school can benefit you. How? Watch this video. I've studied filmmaking for more than 4 years and managed to build a system for these studies. The skills that you build when you try to study by yourself are crucial, and this is when the real filmmaking starts.
Hello there.
I divide filmmaking studies in 3 categories, which is watch, explore, and film. Watch. This is what you'll be taught in every film school. We have to watch a lot of films and series. I mean, a lot of them. Not only do we have to watch them, but also remember all the names, details, styles, genres, and years of production. The best way to do this is, first, make lists. I divide all the films that I need to watch into several categories. They differ depending on what I'm studying right now. I have a table for series, features, 20th century films, Oscar and BAFTA lists, and even shorts. At first it might feel a bit overwhelming, but this is the way to build a proper system inside your head, so you don't get lost in all the genres, styles, directors, years, etc. If you are a complete beginner, start with best films to watch, best British films, best European films, Oscar and BAFTA list, also Cannes list, and all that stuff. To this table we add not only the name and year of production, also the director's name, genre, and some little comments. Second thing, watch and analyze. It's not enough to just watch a film or a series episode. Try to analyze composition, transitions, music, style, storyline, costumes, makeup, and characters. So I recommend to have a separate copybook where you'll write down everything that you think important about the film you're watching. Some basic information and a very short analysis. At least your impression, but it's okay to just watch films as well. If you feel overwhelmed by this, start with just a simple cinema night and enjoy the show. Explore. This part should be named study, but I would like to call it exploration. Why? We get to know everything from scratches. From how did filmmaking start, who were the first directors, to all the historical filmmaking events in the present moment. But first, let's set a goal in filmmaking studies. Do you want to make your first short film or second feature? Maybe you want to be an expert in filmmaking field. Keep that goal in mind as we move forward. My system at this point includes the table of all filmmaking subjects that I'm studying right now. And the goal for every subject has to correspond with your main goal. So if I want to make a short film, every subject has to correspond with the main goal, making a short film. This one will keep me posted and motivated and won't let me quit or become overwhelmed. Materials I use, I add to another column, and that can be textbooks, YouTube videos, podcasts, articles, which you want to study more. I write everything down and add tick boxes, so I can see my progress. This whole table I transform into simple daily tasks like read 10 pages of textbook X or watch a film X2. My favorite textbook for cinema studies is The History of Narrative Films. I highly recommend it if you want to study film history. This is the best option you can find. To inspire myself, I also have a Pinterest board with all the references, compositions, ideas, shots, costumes, makeup. So when I need something, I can find it there. Additionally, if you want to write films as well, I recommend to read a screenplay and then compare it to the final result, like a film or a series episode. This is the best practice for screenwriters. Film. As some filmmaker once said, when you make your first movie, you become a director. All the work after that is just about improving your skills and getting better in filmmaking. So film. Film as much as you can, alone or with the crew. Bring up all the screenplays and films from your head. Take this whole filmmaking power to make your film. Personally, I always write for my films. This is also a very educational process since you start to feel how text transforms into image. Looking for crew, finding props, thinking about costumes, this is where the real directing starts. And you don't need a film school for that. You can be a director yourself right now. If this video was in any way helpful or inspirational, don't forget to put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get more filmmaking content weekly. Stay cinematic and don't be afraid of witches. Bye!